Why does my blower motor smell hot? A hot smell from your blower motor usually means the motor is overheating, often due to dust buildup, a failing motor bearing, or a blocked air filter restricting airflow. Think of your blower motor like a little fan that pushes air through your home. When dust and dirt build up on the motor or the wheel inside it, the motor has to work way harder to spin, kind of like trying to run through mud instead of running on a clean sidewalk. That extra effort creates extra heat, and sometimes you will actually smell a warm, dusty odor coming through your vents. Another thing people do not realize is that the motor has small bearings inside it that help it spin smoothly, and when those bearings start wearing out, they create friction, and friction makes heat. Something interesting most folks never think about is that a clogged air filter can be a hidden cause too, because when air cannot flow freely, the motor strains to push air anyway, and all that strain turns into heat. So one simple action you can take today is to check and replace your air filter, since that alone solves the problem more often than people expect. One common mistake is ignoring the smell because it goes away after a few minutes, but that smell is often an early warning sign, not a random glitch, so it is smart to get it checked before it turns into a bigger repair. Another misconception is thinking a hot smell always means the whole system needs replacing, when a lot of the time it is something simple like a dirty filter or a motor that just needs cleaning and lubrication. People also forget to turn off their system if they smell something burning, but shutting it off and calling a professional quickly can prevent real damage to the motor or even a fire hazard. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.